Hey everybody, it's Judge. I thought I would take the time to make a video to help some people out with making an animated border that looks like this one. Very easy to do, and plus an idiot like me is going to explain it to you, so here we go. First things first, I'm using PaintShop Pro. You can do this with Adobe. Do it with whatever software you want. You just need to be able to make a colorful circle, roughly 500 by 500 pixels. Make sure it has a transparent background. I'm going to show you how I did it with PaintShop Pro. And this is the trial version, by the way, so I didn't even pay for it. You're going to click a circle, make sure it doesn't have a border, so if you have a width, make sure that's set to 0. PaintShop Pro comes with pre-installed gradients. You can make your own, or you could just find that looks like it might be something you like and click on it. Wow. Moving on. Next, make the circle by clicking and dragging your mouse. Make sure the edges of the circle stay within the border of the palette. Next, find a way to center it. I have that button. There we go, it's center. Now I'm going to save it. Just like that. Congratulations. Step 1 complete. Moving on. For video editing software, again, use whatever you want. I'm using DaVinci Resolve because I'm a cheapskate and I hate paying for software. Also, DaVinci's actually pretty good. Don't knock it till you've tried it. If you want to pay a subscription fee for Adobe, be my guest. I do not. Here we go. So you're going to open a new project and import media into your media pool. Find out where you saved your colorful circle. Import it. Drag it to your timeline. Boom. Next, you're going to change the clip duration. I set mine at 30 seconds. It's a well-rounded number and it gives you room to work with. Find what works for you. 30 seconds. Change. Look at that. Next, you're going to want the circle to rotate. You're going to want to click the orange diamond at rotation angle while it's at 0 and you're at the beginning of the clip. That's going to mark that rotation angle at that time frame in the clip. You want it to start at 0 and end at 360. So next, what you do, you go all the way to the end of the clip. You take the rotation angle, you drag it to 360, and then it gets marked there too. Now as it plays through the clip, it's going to start at 0, and over the course of 30 seconds, it's going to end at a 360 degree, i.e. a full circle. Next, right click, new compound. Done. You want to go to the Colors tab now. I'm not going to explain what all this means. It's over my head, so it's probably over your head too if you're watching this video. You're going to right click in this area. You're going to scroll down to add alpha output, and that's going to add another blue dot. You see it? Good. Now you're going to take the blue square and drag it to the blue dot and make a line from the green dot. Click the shapes button, click linear square. That's going to turn the circle into a square. Now we need to make the square have a border. Change all 4 edges of softness to 0. You don't want that for what we're trying to do. Click linear again on square. Change softness to 0. Boom, 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 boom. Now you're going to change the size and make this square smaller so that it's inside the other square. Is this making sense? You see how it's shrinking? You see where this is going? Now you're going to adjust the aspect after you adjust the size. So drag it out until it looks like it's about even on all 4 edges. Close enough, click this button. It's going to take the middle out. Gone. That's where your face is going to go. Next. Now we have to size it up to your particular frame. It's easier to do now, but you can also adjust it when you have it uploaded to OBS by simply resizing it. By the way, if you want to speed this up or slow it down, you can. Right click, change clip speed. If you want the animation to happen faster, this is why we set it to 30 seconds earlier. A little too fast for my taste. It probably looks better at 100, but let's just see what happens when we set it at 200. Voila, there you go. Moving on. Find a video of yourself playing a video game. It's this easy. You're gonna move the frame over your camera. And from there, you're gonna grab the dot and say, you've done this before. You know exactly what I'm doing. Copy what I'm doing. You might need to hold control to size the top and sides down. Otherwise, they're all gonna move at the same time. Hence, control. Control. It's the control key. Look at that. Isn't that neat? Done. This is what it will look like when I press play. You can even sample it. Wow, amazing, right? Now, delete the video because you don't want that. It was there just for sizing purposes. And now you're going to save this file. This is the file you're going to use in OBS. Click the rocket ship down there. It might be called deliver or render, whatever. Change the codec to QuickTime GoPro Cineform. Important. RGB 16-bit, export alpha, pre-multiply. Individual clips has to be selected, so if you have single clips selected, make sure you switch that. Next, name the file and pick where you're going to save it. Add to render queue, render all, you're done. Just like that. All you have to do now is open the file as a media source in whatever streaming software you use and drag that frame over your camera. It literally takes less time to make this frame than it does for you to make a grilled cheese sandwich. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, catch me on Twitch. I'll see y'all later. Bye.